Hey friends, if host process for setting synchronization SettingSyncHost.exe is causing high CPU usage, then please watch this video for the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar. Open registry editor. Go to the path HKey current user software Microsoft input personalization train data store. Right click on train data store, select permissions, select your account. Okay, not the admin account or the system account, your account, I mean your email ID associated with it. And then make sure that deny is all unchecked and allow full control is checked. And if you don't have that option, then simply click on advanced and then select your account, and then uh, you can change its access. Okay, but usually you'll find the options here. Usually we have full access over it, and if we don't have full access over it, then make sure that deny is at least unchecked. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.